Hello, teacher. Hello, class. This is Viviana and Freddy conversation.
Hello,
Hi,
what is your name?
my name is Freddy Alejandro, and your?
My name is Viviana. Nice to meet you, Freddy.
Nice to meet you too.
And what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. And you?
I am a kindergarten teacher.
That is very good. And where are you from?
I am from San Francisco el Alto. And you?
I'm from Totonicapán.
And do you work?
Yes,
And how do you go to work?
we motorcycle. What about you?
I am car.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 30 22 11 0 0. And your?
My phone number is 2344561.
Thank you.
You will welcome.
See you later.
Bye.